I'm a homeowner. I have a 3,100 square foot home, 4-bedroom. Every day I just wake up and I'm still pinching myself. And if it wasn't for Ethan, my wife and I wouldn't be where we are today. So we're just totally elated. My name is Robert Moore, and I met Ethan. He was doing a seminar on how to own a home. In order to own our home, we had to do some extraordinary things. And he just held our hand, walked us through the process. And what was so extraordinary about Ethan was he was well educated on everything that he talked about. He knew exactly what he was talking about. And if there was a challenge, he always had a plan B. And if plan B didn't work, there was a plan C. And believe me, we used about 4 or 5 of his options that he had in his arsenal. We used A, B, C, and D. And so he was able to get us through. He always had something that would bring us through. Every time we had a challenge, and we had challenges, he was able to say, okay, don't worry about it. We'll go here and we'll do this. Ethan was right there, and say, hey, listen, it's just a process. We're gonna get through this. Just hang in there. We're gonna be all right. And every time we called him, he was always there. If he was busy in a meeting, he would send a text message. And so he's like family to us.
Cut. That's a wrap.
Okay.
This guy, dude. This guy, Robert.
It is though. It's just that's just the way it is.